What is that? Is it a monster? Don't cry. Drink milk, Bao Bao.
I am so sorry. I love you. Here we are. The zoo is beautiful today.
The zoo is so boring. My games are better. Put your phone away. Don't be a rule breaker, Tom.
Anna is right. Look at the real animals, please.
I think these animals are fake. It is a lie.
I have the tickets. Let's go inside, family.
Wow! Look at the map. It is so big.
We will see the monkeys first. Follow me.
Oh no! The internet is dead. This is terrible. I hate this place. I want to go home. Look at them jump. They are so fast.
Tom, look at the baby monkey. It is so cute.
It is not cute. This cage is a trap for them.
No, Tom. They rescue them. It is not a trap.
I don't believe you. Did people steal them? Dad, they are eating bananas. So funny. I need to find a secret place for Wi-Fi. Maybe over there. Just a few minutes.
Tom, where are you going? Come back here.
Oh no! He is gone! This is dangerous!
Where is everyone? This place looks weird. Mom? Dad? I am scared. What is that? Is it a monster? Wow. You are a real baby panda. Not fake. Are you lost? I am lost too. Don't cry. Did someone steal you? I will help you. We have a secret. I must be brave. Let's find your mom. We need to find a zookeeper quickly.
Excuse me, did you see a little boy?
Tom is missing. This is my fault.
Don't cry, Mom. We will find him. It is so heavy. But I will not drop you. Stop! Please stop the car. I will protect you. It is very dangerous.
Hey, little boy.
Are you okay?
I found this baby. Is it yours?
Oh my God! Bao Bao! You found him!
He was crying. Did someone steal him?
Welcome to the rescue station, brave boy. No one stole him. He is just a naughty rule breaker.
I was a rule breaker too. I ran away.
But you saved him. Do you want to feed him?
Drink milk, Bao Bao. You are real, not fake.
You are a hero. Now, let's find your parents.
Mom! Dad! Tom is inside that room.
Tom! My baby! Are you hurt?
Mom, I am so sorry. I love you.
Thank God you are safe. Never do that again. Here is some water for the brave family. Thank you for keeping him safe, Leo. He is a good boy. He protected our panda.
Mom, you can keep this. I don't need it today.
Wow, Tom. That is very mature of you.
The real world is not boring, right? Yes! Animals are magic. No more secrets.
Let's go see the elephants now as a team!
Moral: the real world is beautiful. Don't hide behind a screen.
Learn English with Slow English Family. Bye-bye.